Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today again wonderful topic I am taking up. This time I am taking up Hamsagati Chandas in Sanskrit, my dear friends. Hamsagati is a gati, a gait of Hamsa, that is swan. Swan's gait is very graceful, as you know. It is described in various poetries in Sanskrit. Hamsa Nadige, Hamsa Gati, the gait of swan. It is majestic and also very graceful. Highly enjoyable steps it is, highly enjoyable poetry. The famous illustration for this Hamsagati Chandas is Aigiri Nandini Stotra, composed by Sri Adi Shankara. It is known as Mahishasura Mardini Stotra. The structure of Hamsagati Chandas is one first Nagana should be there, one Naganas, and followed by 6 Jaganas, and in the end one Lagu and one Guru. That is the structure, my dear friends. It is totally 23 lettered line. Such 4 lines should be composed. So each poem of this Aigiri Nandini Stotra consists of 23 letters, exactly 23 letters you can count each line. Such 4 lines will be there in each sloka. Such 21 slokas Adi Shankara has composed. Only brilliant mind can compose such poetries fitting into the particular poetic meter, my dear friends. It is highly difficult. It looks very simple, but it is highly difficult, and it gives what highly enjoyable, fantastic tunes, isn't it? So I have composed a Lakshana Sutra for Hamsagati Chandas in Hamsagati Chandas itself. So by God's grace I could do it, my dear friends. Today I am going to share this joy with you all. So before this, we will enter into short prayers, my dear friends. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha. Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Vani Hiranyagarbhabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Naranabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Om Matrubhyo Namaha. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Om Rishibhyo Namaha. Om Munibhyo Namaha. Om Acharyebhyascha Namo Namaha. Sarvebhyascha Devi Devatabhyascha Namo Namaha. So fantastic, my dear friends. Now we are done with the prayers and we will enter into Lakshana Sutra. I was telling you Hamsagati Chandas in Sanskrit, which resembles the gait of a swan or Hamsa. So for that I have composed a Lakshana Sutra, which is also in the Hamsagati only, as the rules say. The Chandas Shastra rules say that whichever Lakshana Sutra we compose for a particular Chandas, that should be composed in the same Chandas. Okay, my dear friends. So here I go. I am going to recite my own Lakshana Sutra for Hamsagati Chandas, and you can observe that it gives exactly the same tune as Aigiri Nandini. So here I go, my dear friends. My own Lakshana Sutra composed by myself for Hamsagati Chandas in Sanskrit. It is like this. Nanu naja bhushita ranjita shadjasu shobhita hamsa gatis salagau. I repeat again. Nanu naja bhushita ranjita shadjasu shobhita hamsa gatis salagau. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now observe. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Nanu Naja Bhushita Ranjita Shadja Sushobhita Hamsa Gatis Salagau. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So it is very clear that it gives the same tune. Why? Because I composed this also in the Hamsagati Chandas. Now we will understand the Lakshana Sutra, my dear friends. I will explain this to you. What I have composed is Nanu Naja Bhushita. Nanu in Sanskrit means verily or truly. So what is true about this? Naja Bhushita. So first, the very first look at Hamsagati Chandas, it should be Bhushita, it should be adorned with Naja, one Nagana and one Jagana. Those who don't know what is Nagana and what is Jagana, please call me on 8762331815. I am taking special coaching classes on amazing and wonderful Sanskrit poetry and Sanskrit poetic meter, that is Chandas and devotional stotras, etc., my dear friends. So that is it. Anyway, now coming back. Nanu Naja Bhushita Ranjita. At the very first look, at the outset itself, the Hamsagati Chanda, the Hamsagati poetry is adorned with Naja, one Nagana and one Jagana. Bhushita Ranjita. Ranjita means it is highly entertaining, isn't it? Aigiri Nandini Stotra, how we enjoy it. It is really fantastic, highly enjoyable musical tunes it gives. Bhushita Ranjita Nanu Naja Bhushita Ranjita. So it is adorned with one Nagana and one Jagana at the outset, at the very beginning, and then it is highly entertaining. And for again, I have described it as Shadja Sushobhita. Shatja means Shat Jagana, 6 Jaganas. It is Sushobhita, it is shining with 6 Jaganas. So one Nagana followed by 6 Jaganas. It is shining with six Jaganas. Shadja Sushobhita Hamsagati. This is Hamsagati. Hamsagja Sushobhita Hamsagati. This is Hamsagati. Salagao means it should be along with one Lagu and one Guru in the end. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Salagao means along with one Lagu and one Guru. Ramaha Sahalakshmanena Salakshmanaha. So that is Sanskrit, my dear friends. Salakshmanaha Ramaha. Likewise, Salagau. Hamsagati Salagau. Hamsagati Chandaha Salagau. It ends with one Lagon, one Guru. Along with one Lagon, one Guru. That is the meaning. One short and one long syllable. It ends with each line. So Hamsagati Chandas, to sum up, it consists of 23 lettered 4 lines. Each line has a pattern which is one Nagana followed by 6 Jaganas and one Lagon, one Guru. That looks very simple, but it is very difficult to compose Sanskrit poetry in this Chandas, my dear friends. So anyway, that is information. All the 21 slokas of Aigiri Nandini, that is Mahishasuramardini sloka stotra is composed in Hamsagati Chandas. So only brilliant minds can do this. We can enjoy very highly brilliant poetry there. Fantastic. So now we'll just have a check on my own composition, my dear friends. So what I said was Nanu Naja Bhushita Ranjita Shadja Sushobhita Hamsagati Salagau. This I told you, it is composed in Hamsagati Chandas itself. Now how? I will just I'll give you a check on this. So I divide this into 3 lettered 7 ganas, and then finally it should give one Lagu and one Guru, isn't it? So Nanu Na is the first 3 letters. We are getting 000, that is Nagana. Okay. Nanu Na Jabhushi. Jabhushi is the second Gana. We are getting as Ja. It is adorned with Naja. At the very outset, it is adorned with Naja. Fantastic, isn't it? Nanu Naja Bhushi Taranjita. Taranji. We are getting a second Jagana, and then Tashadja we are getting as 3rd Jagana. Sushobhi we are getting as 4th Jagana, and Tahamsa we are getting as 5th Jagana, and Tahamsa, and then Tahamsa Nanuna Jabhushita Ranjita Shadja Sushobhi Tahamsa Gatissa we are getting as 6th Jagana. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? And it ends with Lagau. Lagau we are getting as one Lagu and one Guru. Fantastic, isn't it? Come again. Nanu Naja Bhushita Ranjita Shadja Sushobhita Hamsagati Lagau. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishva Vinodini Nandinute. So you can check all the compositions there. Each sloka will consist exactly 23 letters, and it is exactly following the same pattern of Hamsagati. That is one Nagana followed by 6 Jaganas, ending with one Lagu and one Guru in each line. Fantastic compositions, fantastic brilliant poetry, highly enjoyable musical tunes. So that is it, my dear friends. I have given you the Lakshana Sutra composed by myself for Hamsagati Chandas in Sanskrit and explained you all the details. So in the next upcoming video, we will take up more such wonderful and amazing devotional stotras from the ocean of Sanskrit literature and deal with the verbatim meanings, and then Chandas, etc. So, my dear friends, I'm wrapping up this video here. Shortly, we'll meet in the next upcoming video. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas DP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. So, also, my dear friends, all those interested to join my devotional stotra classes in Sanskrit and amazing and brilliant Sanskrit poetry and Sanskrit chandas, there is poetic meters, and then also Kannada classical music and music theory, etc. My dear friends, please catch me direct on 8762331815 and enjoy my classes. It will be a very fascinating and joyous journey for a joyous lifelong journey, my dear friends. So come with me and enjoy the lifelong journey, joyous journey. So, okay, bye for now. Hari Om Sati, Jai Shri Ram, Namaste, Suhas Tipi, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11.